Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to lock your Tesla Model X with a key card. Your Tesla key card is a convenient, credit card-sized device that uses short-range radio frequency identification, or RFID, to communicate with your vehicle. It's designed to be a reliable backup, especially if your phone key's battery dies or your key fob isn't available. Always keep it handy in your wallet. To lock your Model X using the key card, first, make sure all doors are completely closed. Then, simply hold the key card flat against the driver's side B-pillar, which is the vertical panel between the front and rear windows. You'll want to place it just below the autopilot camera. Hold it there for about 1 to 2 seconds until you hear a confirmation sound and the exterior lights flash, indicating your Model X is securely locked. Unlocking your Model X with the key card follows a very similar process. Just like locking, present the key card to the driver's side B-pillar below the camera. Hold it for 1 to 2 seconds. You'll see the exterior lights flash and hear a chime, confirming the car is unlocked. The side mirrors will also unfold if that feature is enabled. Remember to open a door shortly after unlocking. For optimal use, always carry your key card as a reliable backup, especially since it doesn't rely on batteries. Protect it from extreme temperatures and avoid bending it to maintain its functionality. If you ever need more, you can purchase additional key cards and easily pair up to 19 keys to your Model X through the touchscreen, ensuring you always have access.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.